Meanwhile, Airports Authority of India (AAI) has announced reopening of 32 airports across northern and western India for civil aviation operations immediately. It may be mentioned that these airports had been temporarily closed due to escalating military tensions between India and Pakistan earlier this month. Among the airports now cleared for operations are Srinagar, Amritsar, Jammu, Udhampur and Ambala. The suspension of services was initiated on May 9th as precautionary measure following India's May 7th airstrikes on terror camps across the border and subsequent retaliatory shelling by Pakistan. The sudden suspension had disrupted travel plans for thousands of passengers and caused logistical challenges for airlines and cargo carriers. With tensions now appearing to de-escalate, lifting of restrictions marks a significant step toward the normalization of civilian air traffic in the region. However, AAI has urged passengers to stay updated with individual airlines regarding flight statuses, as schedules may take time to stabilize.